Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday and we have two activities to do on our learning mat. It is Fast and Fluent Friday. So this is a tip for parents. If you want your child to make flashcards out of the math facts and the words today, that's great. Or you can use this video, and I have prepared the flashcards and I will flash them here in just a second and they can watch that and do it with me. But it might be a fun thing for them to do to make their own flashcards and use some crayons or markers. I actually didn't have flashcards with me here at home, so I just used some sticky notes. You can cut up a piece of paper into squares. Kind of use what you have. If not, if you don't have anything, again, you can watch this video with me. So I'm going to start with the math facts. So if you want your child to follow along, here we go. The first one is 9 plus 3, 12. 2 plus 10, also 12. 9 plus 4, 13. 18 plus 2, 20. 11 minus 4, 7. 12 minus 5, also 7. 17 minus 8, 9. 14 minus 7, 7. And last one, 10 plus 10, 20. Good job, boys and girls, if you were following along with me. If not, go ahead and make your own and you can practice at home. A fun way you can practice too, if you do make your own flashcards, if you have steps at home, you can either start at the bottom or start at the top. Every time your child gets one right, they can go up a step or down a step, depending on which way you're going. And if they get wrong, they'll either have to go back up the stairs or back down the stairs, again, depending on which way you're going. If you don't have steps, you can do this, making a line in your carpet, starting at your couch, and see how far across the room they can get, taking a step forward if they get it right, or taking a step back if they get it wrong. So we'll move on to the ELA activity today. It is, again, just a list of some sight words. You can make them on cards. If you don't have cards and you want to play along with me, I will flash them here in a second. Let me get them all going the right way. Alrighty, I think we're good. Now the goal is for your child to say them quickly and recognize them quickly, like 3 seconds or less. So here we go. On. That. Say. Said. Ride. Ran. Out. Be. Are. Am. Good. Now. Under. went, soon, they, with, and the last word is yes. So again, you can make those activities or rewind the video if you want your student to work on them again. I'm going to flip the camera, so just give me 1 second while I pause the video, and I'm going to show you the writing activity for today and the reading activity. Okay, here we are. Today's writing option is to write an opinion piece, and it says, in your opinion, do you think basketball is the best sport? We spent lots of time working on writing our opinions in class, so hopefully your child tells you that they don't know how to do this because they are lying to you. Yes, they do. So I put a few things to help you as you're helping your child complete this piece. Always start by stating your opinion. In my opinion, I think basketball is the best sport. Or, in my opinion, I don't think basketball is the best sport. Okay? And then you're going to give 3 reasons and examples of why you do or do not like basketball. So you might say, first, I like basketball because, and here's your reason / example, because I can play with a group of friends. Second, I am good at dribbling the ball. Lastly, you can watch basketball on TV. And then when they're finished with their 3 reasons and examples, they're going to restate their opinion as their closing sentence. As you can see, I think basketball is the best sport. Now, I know that's a lot of sentences, but again, there is paper on the back for activity number 2 that they can continue writing on so you don't run out of space. Also, at the bottom of this paper, you can use this as a checklist to make sure that your child has included everything that they need to in their opinion writing. And the last thing I'm going to show you today is from our fiction choice board. Again, we're under week 1. The activity for today is connect. It says, think about the story and make a connection. What did the story make you think of? So we've read lots of stories this week, including the Leprechaun story, Rosie Revere, and Amelia Earhart. There was also a couple of stories included from the website Vooks. If you were using those stories, go ahead and you can answer based on those. If you read a story on your own, that is perfectly fine too. So if I was doing this, I would maybe use the story with the leprechauns and say that this made me think of a time when I saw a real rainbow in real life, and I thought about trying to find the end of the rainbow so I could find a pot of gold. Now, if you look through your packet, you'll have to find the page that says Connect at the top, and that's where you can record your answer. And I apologize because I don't think that it's in order, but it is in there. It's towards the end of the packet. And again, it kind of just gives you a few more directions on how to make a connection with a story that you read. That's all I have for you today, boys and girls. I hope you're enjoying your time at home, and it's Friday, so I hope you enjoy the weekend. Bye.